This chocolate walnut Nutella fudge is insanely hard to digest, just like its name. And to give you proof, this recipe also consists of only one bowl, so you can do everything in this one bowl and you don't need to do any dishes. So let's get to this. First thing we're going to do is melt some chocolate. I here am using bittersweet chocolate. This is 10 ounces, but you can use 5 ounces of milk and 5 ounces of dark. Then we're going to melt all of this in a water bath or a bain-marie, and we're going to melt the chocolate. Make sure the bowl does not touch the water in the pot. Alright guys, we got all of our ingredients lined up to make this fudge. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is add our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, into our chocolate. And now we're going to mix the condensed milk and the chocolate together. Then after we mix those two ingredients, we're going to add some Nutella to give this fudge an extra flavor and style to it. By the way, this fudge gets increasingly very thick and very hard to mix. So just be mindful of that. You're going to use some muscles when mixing this. Alright, and the last thing we're going to add is some walnut. Alright, and now we're going to add our amazing fudge mix into a prepared tray lined with parchment paper. If I can get this stuff out, that is. I had actually made this recipe before, and it was so funny, the fudge going into the pan. Alright guys, our fudge is now done in its pan, prepped. Chill this for 2 hours so that then you can get that nice fudge bite, and then we get to eat it. Alright guys, and the last thing we're going to do is add some chocolate to the top of this. This is optional, but it's to give it that nice shiny top. I think it's going to look cool. Let's see how it does. Alright guys, we are done with our fudge. Now let's see how this tastes. The mixture is perfect with the walnuts, the Nutella. It's actually a really good blend. Even though it's a little bit heavy, it's still really good. I highly suggest making this. I love it. On that note, I want to leave you to me eating fudge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.